On behalf of Technovision Academy, I invite you to 15 days course on power management. The course is designed in such a way that the power system engineer would be able to understand the management concepts applicable to power sector and how to implement management techniques in power sector. So as a matter of fact, this course will be very useful to the people engaged in power sector, and they will have a lot of exposure for power system management. Various topics under this course are related to management science with application to power sector. It will begin with the concept of management. What is management and how the evolution of management took place right from the Stone Age to today's management information system. It will also depict the aspects of economics such as demand and supply relationship, load forecasting, demand forecasting, and so forth. It will also have a coverage for financial management like FEMS, that is Financial Energy Management System, and costing, how the cost data is handled and how the costing of project is prepared. It will also discuss regarding marketing management, that is what are power markets and what is a power exchange and what is bilateral market. So all this will be covered in this course along with quantitative techniques for management applications, then operations and materials management, that how operation such as operational information system OIS and material management techniques such as inventory control, stores management, supply chain, and so forth. Then it will also throw light on human resource management with the management function related to HR, such as recruitment, induction, promotion, job evaluation, merit rating, worker participation in management, and so forth. Then it will also take into account that is customer relationship management in power sector. Then it will also discuss regarding project management, how the big project such as erection and commissioning of 400 kV substation is undertaken and how it is completed within the stipulated time period. The example of NTPC, National Thermal Power Station, such as the construction of 400 kV substations, power plants will be discussed. The strategic management of technology and innovation will be also discussed. Then research methodology, comprising of how to conduct research, how to publish paper in Web of Science, IEEE journals, or even Scopus Index journals. Then the important topic is related, that is power sector related issues like power sector economics planning, power energy projects, power pricing, purchase management, that is PPA, then power trading. The people who are involved in power trading is called traders, such as NTPC again. will be discussed. Then how the management of power station is conducted, how the operational management is conducted, and how the data is collected, data is analyzed, and other management principles. Then business policies, strategies, energy laws, policies are the important topics of discussion. Here it will have Electric Supply Act right from beginning to even the draft regulation of Indian Electricity Act, that is 2022, will be considered, will be taken for discussion. A national energy policy will be discussed. Its feature will be discussed. What are the energy laws, such as Indian Electricity Rules 1956 and their amendments, and health, safety, and environmental issues for power industry, such as environmental pollution, how to handle, such as ash pollution or acid rain. These topics will be discussed. How the safety will be maintained by in light of IE rules and other rules. What are the modern safety equipments will be also discussed. So in view of the above, the course will be quite useful to you, and you will apply, you will be in a position to apply these techniques in your daily activities. So thank you so much.